Let's come to the very short answer question, and the first question goes: how many types of girdles are found in human body and name them? So we know it very well. We have studied it that there are two pairs of girdles that are present in human body. Firstly, a pair of shoulder girdle and a pair of hip girdle. Next question: what kind of arrangement is found in the ball and socket joint? So he is asking what kind of arrangement is found in, because we always say that ball and socket joint, it allows 100% movement, it allows maximum movement in all directions. So how is it able to do that? So what type of arrangement is there in this joint that allow maximum movement in all direction? So dear students, in the ball and socket joint, the ball shaped end of one bone. If you touch your bones, you must have seen the bones, pictures of bones, images you have seen in your books. We always see that one cup shaped, the end of bones, they are cup shaped, and one other socket shaped. So they can easily cover each other, they can easily be fixed in each other. So in the ball and socket joint, the bones which are present, the ball shaped end of one bone, it fits into the hollow cup shaped socket. So we have seen the different types of bones. So in this ball and socket joint, what happens, the ball shaped end, one bone is having ball shaped end and other bone is having hollow cup shape. So the ball shaped end of one bone, it fits itself into the hollow cup shaped socket of the other bone, and in this way they are fitted in each other and they work smoothly and they allow maximum movement in all direction. Next is, how many legs does a cockroach have? We have studied in the locomotion of the cockroach, we have studied the different body parts of cockroach, and we know that the cockroach has 6 legs. Sometimes the question can be like this: how many pair of legs a cockroach has? So when he is asking for pairs, then the answer will be 3 pairs. But when he is asking how many legs, then the answer is 6 legs, because it has 3 pairs of legs, and 3 pairs, we know two pair is made up of two substances or two things. So 3 pairs means 6 legs. So whenever the question, you have to understand what is being asked. If pair is asked, then you have to write 3 pairs, and if legs are asked, then you will write 6 legs. Where do you find hinge joint in your body? So he is asking hinge joint. So I told you that hinge joints, they allow movement only in one direction, either left or right or up and down movement. So hinge joints, they are found in elbows, knees, fingers and toes. If you see carefully, you can move your elbow only in one direction, upside, you can't make it upside down. So only one direction you can move. When you move your hand, then only in one direction your elbow will move. And when you move your legs from the knees, from the part of knees, then you observe that the legs, knees also, they move in one direction. And when we stretch our fingers, when we use our fingers, we see that they are also moving in one direction only. So they are the examples of hinge joints.